Your Japanese car has hidden features most owners never find until the damage is already done, and the bill hits $2,000 to $8,000. Dealerships won't tell you. The salesperson who handed you the keys definitely didn't mention them. I'm going to show you 10 secret features that could save you thousands. And number 1 makes people genuinely angry they didn't know sooner. Don't skip anything. Let's get into it. Feature 10. The recirculation button. You've seen that little button on your dashboard, the one with a car and a circular arrow inside it. Most Japanese car owners press it once, forget about it, and never think about it again. That button is your car's air recirculation system, and it's one of the most underused features in any Japanese car. When you're sitting in traffic behind a diesel truck or driving through a construction zone, every breath you take is pulling in exhaust fumes, dust, and pollution directly from outside. One press of that button, and your car stops pulling in outside air completely. It recirculates the clean air already inside your cabin instead. Here's where the money comes in. Running recirculation in heavy traffic reduces the load on your AC system by up to 20%. Less strain means your compressor runs easier, lasts longer, and your cabin air filter doesn't get clogged as fast. A new cabin air filter costs between $30 and $80. An AC compressor replacement on a Japanese car? That'll run you $800 to $1,200 easily. Feature 9. The key fob brain trick. This sounds ridiculous, but it works, and the science backs it up. If you're in a huge parking lot and your key fob signal is too weak to find your car, press it against the side of your head, right at your temple, and try again. The water content in your brain actually amplifies the electromagnetic signal, sometimes doubling the range from around 30 feet to over 85 feet. Now here's the part that actually saves you money. Almost every Japanese car key fob, Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, has a physical metal key hidden inside it. There's a small release latch on the side, slide it, and a real key pops out. Why does this matter? A replacement smart key fob for a Japanese car costs between $200 and $400 to replace and reprogram at a dealership. If your battery dies or your fob malfunctions, that hidden metal key gets you into your car for free. Right now. No tow truck, no locksmith charging you $150 at midnight. Check your fob today. That key is in there. Feature 8. Color-coded engine caps. Pop the hood on any Japanese car and look around. You'll notice some caps are bright yellow. Others are orange, some are black. This isn't random. It's a system. Japanese manufacturers color code engine components specifically to show you what you can safely top off yourself versus what needs a professional. Yellow caps are almost always oil-related. Blue or translucent caps usually indicate washer fluid or coolant. The black caps with no markings, leave those alone. Here's why this matters financially. Pouring windshield washer fluid into your brake fluid reservoir is a real mistake real people make every year. The average cost to flush and repair a contaminated brake system on a Honda or Toyota runs between $300 and $700. If it gets into the ABS system, you're looking at $1,500 or more. Spend 10 minutes this weekend reading your engine bay. Match the caps to your owner's manual. Know what you can fill yourself and what you can't. That 10 minutes could save you hundreds. Feature 7. The fuel cap hook. This one is embarrassingly simple, and yet almost nobody uses it. Next time you stop for gas, look at the inside of your fuel door. There's a small notch or hook built right into it. That hook exists for one reason: to hold your fuel cap while you pump. Most people let the cap dangle on its rubber tether, set it on the car roof, or worse, put it on the dirty ground. Every time you do that, you're risking dirt, debris, and moisture entering your fuel system. On Japanese cars, especially older Toyota Camrys, Honda Accords, and Nissan Altimas, a dirty fuel system clogs the injectors first. Fuel injector cleaning costs $150 to $300. If the injectors need replacing, that jumps to $1,500 to $2,000. If the contamination reaches the fuel pump, which it can, you're paying $400 to $800 just for the pump, plus labor. All of that is preventable by using a small plastic hook that's been on your car since the day it was built. Use the hook every single time. If you're still watching, you care about doing this, right? Hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you real fixes that actually save money. Feature 6. Emergency shift lock release. Battery dies. Car is stuck in park. You're blocking traffic and sweating through your shirt. Before you call a tow truck and hand over $150 to $250, look near the base of your gear shifter. On almost every Japanese automatic, there's a small plastic cover. Pop it off with a coin or your key. Underneath is the emergency shift lock release button. Press it, and you can manually shift into neutral without any power at all. Now you can push your car safely to the side of the road. Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Subaru, they all have this. The location varies slightly by model. Some are a small hole you insert a key into, but it's always there. Find it in your car before you ever need it. Takes 2 minutes. Saves you $200 and a dangerous roadside situation. Feature 5, the fuel gauge arrow. Half of all drivers still don't know this exists. On every Japanese car dashboard, right next to the fuel pump icon on your gauge, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is. Rental cars, borrowed vehicles, unfamiliar models. That arrow works in all of them. No more pulling up to the wrong side of the pump and doing the awkward drive around. No more stretching a fuel hose across your hood and scratching the paint. A basic paint touch-up on a Toyota or Honda costs $150 to $500, depending on the spot and severity. Glance at the arrow, pull up correctly, done. Feature 4, Easy Fill Tire Alert. Underinflated tires are a silent money drain. Studies show up to 90% of drivers don't inflate their tires to the correct pressure when doing it themselves. Running tires just 5 psi below the recommended level increases fuel consumption by 1 to 2%. On a car you drive 15,000 miles a year, that adds up to $100 to $200 extra in fuel annually. It also wears tires unevenly, cutting their lifespan short. A new set of tires for a Nissan Rogue or Altima runs $400 to $800. Nissan solved this problem with the Easy Fill Tire Alert system, available on the Rogue, Altima, and Pathfinder. Leave the ignition on, start filling the tire, and watch the exterior lights. When the tire hits the correct PSI, the car honks once. If you overinflate, it honks again and flashes the hazards. No gauge needed, no guesswork, just perfect tire pressure every time, saving you money on fuel and tires simultaneously. Feature 3, Remote Window Drop. On most Honda, Toyota, and Subaru models, you can roll down all 4 windows remote before you even unlock the car. On a Honda, press unlock once, then press and hold. On a Toyota, it varies by model but is usually accessible through the Toyota app or a multi-press sequence on fob. Check your owner's manual for your specific model. Why does this matter financially? A car parked in direct sun can reach 130 to 170 degrees inside within 20 minutes. At those temperatures, your dashboard cracks. Leather seats dry out and split, plastic trim warp. Dashboard replacement on a Toyota or Honda costs $1,000 to $1,800. Leather seat reconditioning runs $200 to $500 per seat. Venting your car for 60 seconds before you get in costs you nothing and protects an interior you paid for. Feature 2, Drowsiness Detection. If you drive a newer Subaru, Toyota, or Honda and a coffee cup icon appears on your dashboard, your car is not suggesting a Starbucks stop. It is telling you that you are falling asleep at the wheel. These systems, called driver attention monitoring or lane sway detection, depending on the brand, track your steering patterns, response times, and in newer models, your actual eye movement using a cabin-facing camera. When the data looks off, the car alerts you before you drift. Drowsy driving causes approximately 100,000 crashes every year in the US alone, resulting in $109 billion in damages, medical costs, and lost productivity annually, according to the 808 Foundation. A single at-fault accident can raise your insurance premiums by $1,500 to $3,000 per year for 3 to 5 years. That's up to $15,000 out of your pocket. When the coffee cup appears, pull over. It is not optional. Feature 1. The Hidden Service Mode. This is the one that changes everything. Toyota, Honda, and Nissan all have onboard diagnostic modes accessible without any special equipment. On most Toyota models, you can access a basic system check by holding the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. On Hondas, there are specific button combinations depending on the model year. What this does is show you diagnostic codes, sensor readings, and in some models, the exact maintenance data your dealer uses to recommend services. Here's the problem. The average dealership upsell during a standard service visit adds $200 to $600 in services many cars don't actually need yet. Fuel system flushes, throttle body cleanings, transmission services recommended 20,000 miles early. If you can read your car's own data before you walk into that service bay, you walk in informed. You stop paying for services your car isn't asking for. Look up the specific diagnostic access method for your exact model and year. It takes 5 minutes on YouTube. That 5 minutes could save you $400 to $600 every single service visit. That's 10 features built into your Japanese car that most owners never use, and now you know all of them. Ignore these and you're leaving real money on the table. Anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on what goes wrong first. Use them, and your car runs better, lasts longer, and costs you less. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more content like this, subscribe now, because the next video covers Japanese car maintenance mistakes that void your warranty without you knowing it.